So we are almost here. Google Maps went out of coverage in between because there is no range here, nothing, like zero. Like I can't answer a call, nothing. Google Maps also doesn't work. I forgot to download the maps, unfortunately. So there is a check post there. You have to just take a pass for your car or bike. I paid around 200 bucks for the check post, and even if you have a camera you have to pay extra. So that's the bad part. But anyways, I'm going to reach there in about 4-5 minutes. So the place where we are going is called Savri Waterfalls, which is in Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. So guys, this is where we are headed to. We are headed to Savri Waterfalls, which is in Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. So they told me that you can take your car 4 kilometers from the entry, but then you have to do a trek for about 1 kilometer. So there are about 1,000 steps that we need to get down to reach the waterfall. So let's see. That's the reason you need to be fit. Go to the gym, do some workout. Come on, come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. I can see people screaming. I can hear the sound of the waterfall. When I came here, there was no much crowd, but now people have started coming, being a holiday in Goa. So there are a lot of tourists and from the neighboring states coming here to this waterfall. I thought this would be a hidden waterfall, but it's become quite famous right now. And there are wildlife agents also who are there to protect this place from garbage and not letting people drown and stuff like that. So there are a lot of restrictions, so it is not an open waterfall, but the kind of pictures and all that you can capture are pretty good. So another advice that I want to give you all is, once you'll come to this waterfall, so do not exert yourself, because you have to climb at least 1,000 more steps. So you can see how I'm perspiring. Oh my god. There you go. You can see the waterfall in the background. Oh, the good part is that they've made a proper way to go to this waterfall. So there are steps. There's a nice 1 kilometer trek that you need to follow to reach here. So I was speaking to the forest guard back at the waterfall. So he was telling me the best time to come at the waterfall is during the monsoons. The flow is really high at that time and it's quite dangerous also. But they allow tourists and people to see the waterfall for a particular duration of time during the day, like mostly during the morning time till 12 or 1. So if you really want to see the full flow of the waterfall, you need to come in the month of August, September, October. That's when the rain is quite moderate in Goa, so you all will enjoy that waterfall at that time.